Welcome to Scandinavian Capital Markets and the best trading platform in the world, cTrader. In this video, we will give you an overview of charting on desktop, web, and on mobile, an overview of the types of displaying price action, an overview of time frames, and an overview of chart settings. In an earlier video, we showed you how to maximize your charting area by diminishing the active symbol panel, side menu, and the trade watch. This is a great option for technical analysis, especially with multiple charts. Each chart includes a favorites panel, and the platform uses an instruments toolbar, which can be moved to any corner of the platform. Firstly, in single chart mode, all of your open charts are accessible in tabs. In multi-chart mode, all charts are spaced equally on the platform but can be reordered easily. In free chart mode, a variety of configurations can be achieved, including manually sizing vertically and horizontally. And as shown in previous videos, you may detach a chart and move it to another monitor. You can scroll through these modes with the F2 function key. In the Favorites panel, you can select the type of chart you prefer: bar chart, candlestick chart, line chart, and dot chart. You may zoom in and zoom out on any chart by clicking the zoom buttons or by using the plus/minus keys on your keyboard. You may scroll back in time using your mouse wheel, or by click and drag in cursor mode, or by using the cursor keys on your keyboard. Your cursor may also be used to change the height of the chart by dragging on the price axis. The crosshairs can be accessed either through the Instruments panel or by depressing your mouse wheel. Clicking and dragging the crosshairs gives you a very useful measuring tool displaying time, pips, periods, and price. The Market Snapshot gives you a candle-by-candle look at price action and volume. Speaking of snapshots, the Chart Shot creates a full-color image of your chart, not only saved on your PC, but also on our server, where you may instantly share it on social media, send an email, and/or copy any link you need. Changing chart time frames is easy with a click of a button, and moving from one time frame to another, from 1 minute to 1 month, can be done with your cursor up and cursor down keys. By right-clicking on a chart and selecting periods, a wider variety of time frames can be applied to your chart or added to the Favorites panel. As well, tick charts may be created. You may use Renko bars, and you may display price action candles based on a range in pips. There are a variety of viewing options to have your chart display open positions, orders, the bid price line, the ask price line, the grid, period separators, tick volume, the deal map, the chart scale, price alerts, and market sentiment. You may change the color of any visual element on your chart by right-clicking and selecting Color Options. Once you have your chart colors and elements set, and you want every new chart to start like this one, simply right-click, select Template, Save Template, and type in Default. This will be your new default template, and all new charts will appear like this. Currently on cTrader Web, you may use time frames and tick charts, and your chart types also include Heikin Ashi and high-low close charts. On cTrader Mobile, simply tap on a spark chart to view the symbol details. You may tap on the time frame to select a new one, or select the Full Frame button to view a fully functional chart. From here, you may select the time frame as well, and you may choose your chart type from bar charts, candlesticks, line charts, dot charts, and area. Under Settings, you have similar options as the desktop and web versions, including the option of selecting Dark Theme. This has been a brief look at cTrader chart setup. More detailed information on all aspects of the platforms will follow in this video series, but feel free to contact us should you have any questions.